Hello student, good morning. In the last lecture, we discussed the inverse of matrix of 2 by 2 order. Now, inverse of matrix of order 3 by 3. So see, question number 15, exercise 3.4. Exercise 3.4. Find the inverse of given 3 by 3 matrix by elementary row operation or column operation. So we are using an elementary row operation to find the inverse of a given matrix. So we know that A equal to IA. So A 2 minus 3 3 2 2 3 3 minus 2 2 equal to I 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 into A. Now what we have to do? First make it 1. Here first element is 1, make it 1. So to make it 1 we have to divide by 2 or convert first and third row, exchange first and third row. So we are doing like that. So first we are exchanging the third and first row, second row as it is, 2 minus 3 3 equal to 0 0 1 0 1 0 and 1 0 0. What we did? R1 to R3, exchanging row 1 and 3. Now subtract second row from first one. So we have 1. Subtract second row from the first one. So 1 minus 4 and minus 1. 2 2 3 2 minus 3 3 0 minus 0 minus 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. What we did in R1 minus R2. Now we have a 1 here. Now what we have to do? Multiply with 2 and subtract from second row, and multiply with 2, subtract from third row. So first row as it is, multiply with 2 and subtract. 2 minus minus 8 means 10. Minus minus 2 plus 3 5. Multiply with 2 and subtract here. It is 0. Multiply with 2 and subtract. 8 means this is 5. Now multiply with 2 and subtract. It is 5. Multiply with 2 and subtract. So first row as it is. Multiply with 2 and subtract, it is same. Multiply with 2 and subtract, it will be 3. Multiply with 2 and subtract from second one. It's a minus 2. Multiply with 2 and subtract from here. Multiply with 2 and subtract from here, it is 2. Multiply with 2 and subtract from here. So what we did? R2 minus 2R1, and in R3 minus 2R1. So now we have 1 0 0. Now we need a 1 here. So divide by 10. Second row divide by 10. 1 minus 4 minus 1 0 1 1 by 2 0 5 5. 0 minus 1 1 0. 3 by 10 minus 2 by 10. 1 2 minus 2. R2 1 by 10 R2. So divide by 10. Second row will multiply by 1 by 10. Means divide by 10. We have a 1. Now multiply it by 4 and add in first row. And multiply it by 5 and subtract from third row. So first we are doing first row process. So multiply with 4 and add. So 1. Multiply with 4 and add here 0. Multiply with 4. It is 2. And add here. It is 1. Second row as it is. Simultaneous process can be done in right hand side. Multiply with 4, add 0. Multiply with 4 and add here. So minus 1 plus 12 by 10. Right? Minus 10 plus 12 plus 2 by 10 means 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Multiply with 4 and add here. So 1 plus. Multiply by 4 and add. That means minus 8 by 10. 10 1 ja 10 minus 8 plus 2 by 10 means 1 by 5. It is also 1 by 5. Now, third row process. Multiply with 5 and subtract here. So it is 0. It is 0. Multiply with 5 and subtract here. 5 by 2 subtract from 5. It is 5 by 2. Multiply with 5 and subtract here. Second row as it is. Multiply with 5, subtract here. Multiply with 5 and subtract 2 minus 3 by 2. 3, 5, 5 2 is 10. 2 2 is 4 minus 3, 1 by 2. And this is minus 2 plus 5 by 10. Minus minus plus 1. So it is minus 1. Into A. Now, what we did, R1 plus 4R2 and R3 minus 5R2. Clear? See. Now we need 2 by 5 here 1. So write down same matrix 1 0 1 0 1 1 by 2 and 0 0 5 by 2 is equal to 0 1 by 5 1 by 5 0 3 by 10 minus 2 by 10 1 by 2 minus 1 into A. Now we have to make it 1. So multiply by 2 by 5. So 1 0 1 0 1 1 by 2 0 0 5 by 2. So it is 1. Multiply with 2 by 5. 0 1 by 5 1 by 5. 0 3 by 10 minus 2 by 10. Multiply with 2 by 5. 2 by 5 it is 5 and minus 2 by 5 into A. In R3 2 by 5 R3. Now we have a 1 here. Subtract from third row. Third row subtract from first. It is 0. So 1 0 0. Subtract third row from first. 1 by 5 minus 5 minus 24 by 5. Subtract 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5. So this is 3 by 5 into A. Now 0 1 divide by 2 and subtract here, it is 0, 1. So last row as it is, divide by 2 and subtract here, so it is minus 1 by 5. Divide by 2 and subtract here, minus 5 by 2. So what will be the LCM? 10. 10 LCM, multiply with 5, 25, minus 22 by 10, minus 11 by 5. Minus 11 by 5. Multiply with, divide by 2 and subtract from, so minus 1 by 5. So plus 1 by 5. Divide by 2 means it is 10 and 2. So 0. So this is 0. Now, this is identical matrix. This is A inverse into A. So that means A inverse is minus 2 by 5, minus 24 by 5, 3 by 5, minus 1 by 5, minus 11 by 5, 0, 2 by 5, 5, minus 2 by 5. This is our inverse matrix of a given matrix A. Make sure there is no any mistake in elementary row operation. If there is some mistake, check it and practice more questions. So you have to complete question 16 and 17 and see the illustration before the exercise 3.4. Okay dear, see you soon. Bye bye.